Hello everyone, I am Rahul Savanke. Today is 19 July 2021. Today we are discuss about the string buffer and builders in Java. Before going to discuss about the today's topic, let's see what we are the covering today's. So firstly, we are going to discuss what is string, that what are the multiple and unmutable object because it is necessary to understand the uh, caption before the going the discuss string builder and string buffer. After that, we are the discuss about the string buffer and string builder and list one the difference between the. So let's go start. In a Java string, basically object that represent the sequentially character or char value. In a Java string object, in immutable immutable string means unmodifiable or unchangeable. One string object is created, is data stored, can't be changed, but now string object is created. Why string is immutable? So, firstly, so firstly, what is immutable? Immutable means unchangeable. Okay. Immutable concept in use to string object. For example, string object is immutable. It means one string object is created, it is data or start can't be changed, but now string object is created. Now we are the discuss what is mutable and unmutable object. Okay. Uh, in simple, immutable object can't be changed. Effort created the immutable object can't. Okay. What are the mutable objects? Mutable objects are the object whose value can be changed. Effort utilization we can the store the uh, object object value such field as start after the object is created. For example, string buffer, string builders, etc. What is the immutable object? The immutable objects are the objects whose value can be not be changed. For utilization, we can change the anything once an object is created. For example, primitive objects such as int, long, float, double, all, uh, and legally classes, wrapper class, string class, etc. String buffer and string builder. Okay, string buffer in Java used to create modifiable string object. That means that we can use the string buffer to the append, reverse, replace, contains and multiple string or sequence to characters. Corresponding methods under string buffer classes are respectively created the uh, ad, uh, address to the these functions. Okay. In Java, string are known to the immutable or editable. Okay. Unless the overwriting upon the this is a string buffer class comes into the picture, who it can be unmuted character sequence and still enable to mutable features. String buffer. It is peer class to string. The provide the must be the functionality of the string. String represents fixed the length. Immutable character sequence, which string buffer represents, uh, which sequence represent um, grows to able to writable character sequence. String buffer maybe have character and substring in, in, inserted into the middle of the appends to the end. It will the automatically grow the make room for such addition and often has more character per allocated than are actually needed to the allow room in growth. Okay. Some important points are about the string buffer in Java. String buffer in Java, like string class, but with the multiple mutable features. Unlike string, where the length of the memory location or the final string buffer, okay, has existing method to modify this property. String buffer is memory allocation and final string buffer has existing memory methods. To modify these properties, string buffer is the thread shape most of the its method is synchronized. So string buffer object can be aside the used to multiple thread at the same time. String buffer capacity method can be used to the retrieve the memory available from the new thread at the same time. That means modify the give string using string buffer classes. What make the possible? It is the string buffer class reverse the content memory for the future modification. String builder. The string builder class mutable in sequence of character. String builder class can be comparable to string. However, to string builder class provide the more va- veracity because it is a modification features. The string builder in Java represent the mutable sequence of characters since the string class in Java create the immutable sequence of character. The string builder class provided the alternative string class. It is a created a mutable sequence of characters. The function of string builder is very much similar to the string buffer class as both of them provide the alternative the string classes by making the mutable sequence of character. However, the string builder and class different from the string buffer class, thus basic synchronization. The string builder class provided no guarantee of synchronization, where the string builder class is. Okay, therefore the class is designed for the use of the drop replacement for the string buffer in place where the string buffer was behind the by using single thread as is generally the use. Where possible is reminded that this class but used in performs to the string buffer as well as faster under the most important instance of the string builders are not saved the use by the uh, multiple threads. It's such as synchronization required, then it is recommended that string buffer by use multiple threads. It is such synchronization required the use. String builder class provide the API. String provide the API. String provided for API compatible with the string buffer, but with the guarantee synchronization but used to by the single thread where possible is the recommended that this class by using performance to the instance of the string builder shape for use multiple thread. It is a synchronization required the then it is recommended that the string buffer by use be used. Java string builder important points. Okay. Discuss about the Java string buffer important points. String builder must provided API similar to string buffer, but unlike string buffer, doesn't guarantee thread shape. Java String Builder class is designed for the use drop the replacement the string buffer in place where the single buffer was behind used by the single thread. Okay, if execution speed by the performance is the factors string builder class by using place string buffer. The breadth of the button of the breadth of the mm, breadth of the private the string class is append. Classes are provided append methods and insert methods. They must overloaded within a single buffer or the Acrom made the different type of the this method. This generally purpose process flow, string builder, append, and insert method. Okay. Then first convert the given data to string that them. Then append the insert the character of the string to the string builder. Java string builder append that method always adds this character at the end of the builder. Insert method insert character at a specified time. Now we are going to discuss difference between the string builder and string buffer. String builder was introduced the i- entity replaced Java where string builder was introduced in Java 5. String buffer is synchronized but builder is a non-synchronized. String buffer is a thread safe so multiple thread can't access the same time. Therefore it is a slow and string builder is a non-thread safe. Hence the string buffer is a faster than string builder faster. String buffer is just slower than string builder is faster than string buffer. So thank you so much.